So good morning everyone. Today we are going to make a leches cake. So we have 5 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cup of plain flour, and we have our 1 cup of sugar. This is 3/4 and this is 1/4, and this is our 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and our 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, we separate now our egg whites and egg yolk. So, maayong buntag natong tanan. Karon magluto na pud ko og cake, guys. Ito ay isang leches cake. So, yun na mag-separate na tayo sa ating egg yolk and egg whites. So, yun ang ating ginagawa, guys. So, I hope you can subscribe and share and even comment to my channel. Thank you very much, mga best friend. And today is a beautiful day and I hope you learned something out of my preparations. Maayong buntag. Good morning. I will link my ingredients on the description below just in case you want to try this at your very own kitchen. Okay, mga best friend? We will add the salt. guys, ito na yung ating cake. Our cake. So this is our drizzly cheesecake. So check natin guys. So it's alright. So i-cool down natin siya guys for 30. Very basic life.
A little bit off your finger.
Cream guys, around 1/3 cup. So this is now our sauce, our cake.
How many packets of strawberries? Use the card, the card. So guys, we have 2 cups of whipping cream. We added 1/2 cup of sugar. Then we will have a pinch of salt, spoon of vanilla extract. That's more than. So now we are going to whip. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Now our drizzly cheesecake, our final product. So I hope you learned something out of my preparation from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching.